In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store and install free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When it's ready, open it. Then to mute the music, after tapping Consent, click at the bottom left corner. Following that, select those three lines at the bottom right one and select Set as Live Wallpaper. Then click on Yes and tap on this gear at the top right corner to manage all of those options however you want to. You can even select presets at the top left corner. Click on the best option for you and tap on Yes. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back, click on Set Wallpaper, tap on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen and exit Magic Fluids app. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!